Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set mono audio to your connected audio and phone speakers on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. You want to then scroll down and select the accessibility tile, and then scroll down again underneath audio, and you want to select where it says audio adjustment versus mono audio, combine channels when playing audio. If you want to enable that, just click inside the oval one time to turn on mono audio. Conversely, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval one more time, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to set that up on your Samsung phone. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.